Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by backing up and ensuring the iPhone 8 Plus has adequate charge and the latest iOS. This protects data and removes software variables. Next, you clean the home button area gently with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl wipe so the sensor reads clearly. Once done, you open Settings right arrow Touch ID and passcode and attempt to add a new fingerprint. That confirms if the issue is software versus hardware, and it directs your next steps. If adding a fingerprint fails, you delete existing entries and re-enroll multiple angles of the same finger so the sensor maps fully. You then restart the phone, and if that doesn't work, reset all settings to clear configuration conflicts. This preserves data but reverts preferences. Make sure to update iOS. If problems persist, restore the device from a backup or perform a clean restore to rule out corrupt system files before assuming hardware replacement. You inspect hardware when software steps fail. Check for recent repairs, loose home button ribbon, or incompatible third-party screens that disable Touch ID. If you replace the display or battery, make sure connectors are seated and test Touch ID before sealing the case. The iPhone 8 Plus ties the home button to the logic board for security. Finally, if the sensor remains unresponsive, you contact Apple or a certified technician. One trouble.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.